Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the laptop has a working Wi-Fi adapter and that it is enabled in Device Manager or Settings. This prevents wasted steps. Next, locate the network name and password, or plug an Ethernet cable into the laptop and router for a direct test. Once done, enable the Wi-Fi radio using the software toggle or the hardware switch. Some laptops use an FN key combo, so the system can scan for nearby networks immediately. You now select the network SSID from the available list and enter the password. Choosing WPA2 or WPA3 ensures secure encryption. If the laptop uses Ethernet, check the router link lights and confirm the adapter gets an IP via DHCP. Otherwise, set a static IP, gateway, and DNS. After the link is up, make sure the OS network profile is set to private or home for trusted sharing. This avoids blocked services, while finish by testing connectivity in a browser and running a ping to 8 and a domain name to check both reachability and DNS resolution. You should update the Wi-Fi driver via Device Manager or the vendor utility if speeds or stability are poor. If you still have no internet, reboot the router, toggle the laptop's airplane mode, and reset the network stack. These steps clear common software states. One key troubleshooting tip: if DNS fails, set DNS to 8 temporarily to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.